our friend Jace. He's kind of fat.
Shut up.
Anyway, I am Kobe, and
The
yeah,
dumb one. The dumb
we're
one.
gonna be Shut up. We're gonna be recording.
I tried. No.
You better be lucky to do friendly fire.
There isn't.
We're gonna be recording us showing this present. Jace, let's open the present.
I called dibs.
I want to hear it in my camera.
Okay, no, let me. What the frick?
Help me, you know. I don't want to die. I survived. There's items. Jace. I think when we destroyed it, it spawns monsters, but still gives us items. Yo, I see a lion. It's fine. So, a man may have not have died. Jace, are you dead? Guys, Jace coming.
I just kamikaze, guys.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Rah! Come at me. Come on. Shoot.
I'm gonna hit the Enzo Kamikaze method, Jace.
Pew.
Oopsie daisy. Guys, here's what I do for big black. Ah! Guys, here's the steps on what to do if a buff guy is chasing you. So see, this is the guy that's gonna. Oh!
What is that noise? Oh. Go, Kobe, go. Kamikaze.
Secret technique, kamikaze.
I got this. I got this.
Trust.
I do not
No,
got
no.
After this, you wanna record Arena? Leaving. Jace, I'm leaving a broccoli here for you. Monkey coming. I don't know how to fit. I can't fit.
Look, Kobe, look what I got. Kobe, look what I have.
Hold on, I'm trying to get in. I can't. Jace.
They
have a
will
run.
perish.
Oh! No, I made a skill. Oh crap! Oh crap! Dude, they're actually so small. Why are these monsters so small, bro? Give you! Kobe!
Kobe just broke spawn. Slug. Oh crap. Here, your eyes are fogged out. Give me. Give me. No, your eyes are fogged out. Right, so that's what we need. Wait, Kobe, look. It's recording Arena. Look. Give me it. I want it. Give me it. I'll show you. What the? Wait, no, let me see your eyes. Your mask is actually. Wait, should we go on the monsters up there? Wait, let's go on the public arena. Let's go to arena. Yeah, public arena. No, let's go to normal arena. No, can we go to public arena? Yeah, but the people are asking. I've been in public arena before. Alright, I'm gonna go in arena. I really wanna go in arena. There's like a battling mode. Okay, let me get Jace.
My camera go. My camera? I'm a ghost that my dead body's still holding on. No!
Jace?
This stupid slug monster! Ooh, bro, frick!
Jace, slug monsters camping spawn. Like, before we could even get in the actual thing. The slug monster! Jace, come back. Or at least die. Alright, so guys, this is the slug monster's baby and I'm gonna eat him. Do I look alright? Hold on, guys. Do I look okay? Hold on, wait. Let me take off my mask. Now, see if I look okay. Hold on, guys. Do I look okay? I don't know what I look like. I think I look okay. Anyway, while we're waiting for Jace,
I'm back. I made it.
Jace, let's go to arena.
Wait, where's the camera? Where's the camera? Where's the
I have it.
camera? Let me see. Let me see camera.
He looks normal,
Hi,
right?
Move.
Frick
Hi,
you!
Tamara. Hi, Tamara. I want to see what I look like. Oh my god. Bah!
Why is my head humongous? Jace, let's go to arena.
Bah!
Jace, press arena.